trading basics every beginner gets wrong. Fix this first. Stop. If you're losing money in trading, it's not bad luck. It's not the market. It's because you're skipping the basics. And here's the truth. Most beginners don't lose because trading is hard. They lose because they're doing the wrong things consistently. Listen carefully. If you don't fix this now, you will keep losing. Let me describe exactly what's happening. You open a chart, you see candles moving fast, you feel like you're missing out, so you enter. No plan, no structure, no confirmation, just hope. Then price goes against you. You hold, hoping it comes back. It doesn't. You close the trade in loss. Now frustration kicks in. So what do? You take another trade immediately. That's revenge trading. And slowly, your small account starts bleeding. Sound familiar? Good, because this is exactly how losing traders think. Not because they're stupid, but because no one taught them the right trading basics for beginners. Here's the shift you need to understand. Professional traders don't trade more. They trade better. They don't guess. They follow structure. They don't chase the market. They wait for confirmation. And most importantly, they don't break the basics. The basics are not optional. The basics are the strategy. If you ignore them, you don't have a trading system. You have a gambling habit. Lesson 1. No trading plan. Here's the first mistake. You're trading without a plan. Listen carefully. If you don't have a plan, you're reacting to the market. And reaction leads to emotion. Emotion leads to losses. Simple. Example. You see Bitcoin moving up fast. You jump in. Why? No reason. No entry rule, no stop loss, no target. That's not trading. That's guessing. Fix. Before every trade, ask this. Where is my entry? Where is my stop loss? Where is my take profit? If you cannot answer these, do not enter the trade. Lesson 2. Random entries, no confirmation. Here's the second mistake. You enter trades too early. You see price near support. You buy immediately, but price breaks lower. Why? Because support alone is not enough. Beginners trade levels. Professionals trade confirmation. Fix. Wait for confirmation. Example. If price hits support, then wait for rejection candle, break of structure, momentum shift. Only then you enter, not before. Lesson 3. No risk management, account killer. This is where most accounts die. You're risking too much. One trade, 10%, 20%, sometimes more. Listen carefully. You are one bad trade away from blowing your account. Fix. Use the 1 to 2% rule. If your account is 100 euros, you risk 1 to 2 euros per trade. That's it. Not 10 euros, not 20 euros. Why? Because trading is a probability game. You need to survive long enough to win. Warning. Lose 50% of your account, you need 100% gain to recover. That's the trap. Lesson 4. Overtrading and emotional decisions. Here's the hidden killer. Overtrading. You take too many trades. Why? Because you feel like you need to make money today. That pressure destroys discipline. Fix. Set a rule. Max 2 to 3 trades per day. No setup, no trade. Simple. Repeat this. No setup, no trade. No setup, no trade. Lesson 5. Ignoring market structure. This is the biggest mistake. You don't understand the trend. You're buying in a downtrend, selling in an uptrend, and wondering why you're losing. Fix. Use this simple rule. If market is making higher highs, look for buy setups. If market is making lower lows, look for sell setups. That's it. Trade with the market, not against it. Application layer, execution rules. Now let's simplify everything. Here's your beginner trading system. If there is no clear trend, then don't trade. If there is no confirmation, then don't enter. If risk is more than 2%, then skip the trade. If you feel emotional, then step away. This is how you build discipline, not with indicators, with rules. Let me tell you something important. You are not losing because trading is impossible. You are losing because you're trading like everyone else, unstructured, emotional, and reactive. But now, you know better. Now you understand. Trading basics for beginners are not basic, they are everything. So from today, you don't trade randomly anymore. You trade with structure. You don't chase, you wait. You don't gamble, you execute. And that's the difference between a losing trader and a disciplined trader. So, if you're serious about fixing your trading, subscribe to Online Trading Hub. Watch this next, how to build a trading plan that stops guessing and losing. Because without a plan, you're just guessing. Remember, the market doesn't reward effort, it rewards discipline.